What's up guys, welcome back to a new video about arithmetic operators in JavaScript. Whether you're a professional JavaScript developer or a beginner, numbers are used frequently in JavaScript for common tasks. Think about your browser window size dimensions, just easy calculations like addition, subtraction, and so on. This video might be pretty easy for some of you guys, but it's still pretty important to know what type of operators there are available in JavaScript. What I want to do is to create two constants. So let's say const num1 is equal to 100, const num2 is equal to 50. I also want to create a let val, which do not have any value. And what we will do with our val is to basically create the output of an arithmetic operation of num1 and num2. The first operator that we have is addition. So we're going to say that we want to set val equal to num1 plus num2. Let's console log val to see the output, save it, and the output is 150, and that's correct because 100 plus 50 is 150. We could also subtract numbers, so let's say subtraction, which is equal to val equal to num1 minus num2. Save it, and the output is 50, and we could also change num1 to num2 minus num1, and the output will be negative 50. We could multiply numbers, so let's say multiply, by basically setting val equal to num1 multiplied by num2. Save it, and that's equal to 5000. We could divide numbers by setting val equal to num1 / num2. Save it, and the output is 2 because, well, 50 fits twice in 100. And we have also something called the modulus. So let me add a comment, the modulus. And what this operator does is returning the leftovers of the division of num1 by num2. So let's set val equal to num1, and to do the modulus we need to add a percentage sign, num2. Let's save it, and you can see that the output is 0 because num1 is equal to 100 and num2 is equal to 50. And 50 fits twice in 100, so there is no leftover. But if we change, let's say 100 to 110, save it, the output is 10 because 50 still fits twice in 100, but 50 does not fit in 10, so the remainder is 10. Now what I want to do is to set our val operand equal to 1. Well, let me add a comment first because I want to increment a variable. And right below our val is equal to 1, we could say val is equal to val plus 1, which is equal to 2. But this is way too much work. What we could say is val double plus sign, which will increment or increase and return the value before increment. So let's save it, and the output is still 2. We could also add the double plus signs right before the variable name. So let's test that out. Save it, and the output is still 2. And this is called the prefix. What this basically does is incrementing the val variable first and then returning it. Plus plus becomes 1, and then it will add 1 to val. As you can see, the output for both is equal to 2, and it's pretty difficult to show you what the difference is, right? Not without teaching you what a control structure is. The same thing can be done to subtract the operand with 1. We could add a comment, so increment, decrement, and instead of adding 2 plus signs, we need to add 2 minus signs. Let's save it, and the output is 0. And if we put the 2 minus signs right after the variable name, the output is still 0. This was it for this video about arithmetic operators. I hope that I gave you a good overview of what arithmetic operators are. If you do enjoy my videos and you want to see more, leave this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button.